What is going on? Wow. Let's see what's going on over here. Ah, it's a truck. And it's got something in the back of it. Whoa. What are you guys doing over here? Huh? What did you guys find in that truck? Look at all you guys. Wow. Must be something good in there. Crazy. Probably some bait or something. Some kind of fish in there. Oh, look at this guy. Look at all of them. Oh my gosh. Ah! The birds. Maybe the birds. Oh. Look at that. Crazy. Guess I better go in before they decide I'm a meal. Look at all of them. Crazy. I bet it's a box of fish in the back of that truck that they have discovered. Whoa. I bet somebody's going to get some scratches on their cars. This is in Dutch Harbor, Alaska, in the Aleutian Islands. Whoa, look at that fish had a big, that eagle had a big piece of fish. They're all gonna fight over it.